Hey guys, so look at this. This phone has just malfunctioned. Just look at this. See, just Tech Repair Guru, just fix this. Just please. I would just say to him, this has a working screen, but there's no thing on it. It's just this black screen. And there's just like no way. Just no way. It just is like, I have an old Samsung, but it's gone. It has the same issue, but the display has no backlight, so it won't show a thing like this. Or also, I could bring it back to life by connecting it to a TV like that one. So, this is a 24 Pro Max without even any brand. It's not a Samsung. It looks like an iPhone. Looks like they copied Apple on the back, you see. But you're going to see this is a striped one that you can't feel the stripes on it. Just only feel the plastic. And there's actually this, it's fit, it's kind of like thick. It's a fake phone. This one is kind of thick. We're gonna see has to be thick like this. You're going to see it actually feel the back of it. You're gonna see it actually see right here. That here it is in landscape. Looks the same thing. If you want the home screen and lock screen in landscape, you just need a tablet. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I will make a part 2 later that I'll show that it has been fixed. I might give it to my uncle and try to get it fixed. So anyways, bye guys.